Hey, what is up guys? It's me, Russian Inventor, back with a new video. And recently I went into YouTube and I found this picture. You guys got over 6,000 views. Oh my god, that's a lot. And I'm really happy and proud of you guys. So today I'm planning to make a video where I'm gonna Photoshop Minecraft mobs, that's like these creatures, into real life and make them look real with like textures and stuff, but still have the blocky style. So that's gonna be interesting. But before we start, we need to figure out which mobs we're going to use in this Photoshop. So over here, I'm gonna ask my brother for the suggestion. Here's him.
A zombified piglin and a parrot.
Okay. Yeah, we're going to use a zombie pigman and a parrot. I'm gonna Photoshop them, and to do that, we need to find a location. So I'm gonna go outside and take some pictures. Okay, so I have returned from the outside adventure, and then I choose two pictures from this whole group of many pictures I took. Then I opened up Photoshop and I put them into the Photoshop. And this is where the fun begins. Okay, so I got the picture over here in Photoshop, and now we have to find some reference materials. So I'm going to go into Google and type in zombie pigman. Don't forget to add Minecraft. We got some pictures over here. So then I saved that picture of piglin brute and imported to Photoshop. Okay, so I got the piglin brute, I think it's called, over here on the picture, but we have to cut it out, so I'm going to use a good old pen tool. This takes a while, but like, what do you expect? This is like 90% of Photoshop work over here. It's just cutting out stuff. But it's gonna be easier because you will get used to it, and this one is actually really easy because it's just cubes, so you don't have to do any curved stuff. Okay, so now I press make selection. Yeah, make selection. So it just made the selection, and then we press this Japanese flag, and ta-da, we got it over here. Nice. It looks already pretty good, but that's not it. I mean, this just doesn't look like real life, so we'll have to make some textures from internet, download them, and yeah, this is just our reference material, but that's how it's probably gonna be like. And I'm planning also to make this portal into like the nether portal, maybe like make this darker, like the obsidian, I think it's called. Yeah, and it's gonna look good probably. Okay guys, so this is the next day. I have done a lot of work yesterday on this project, and now we have to do add some shadows. We also need to add hair on this pigman's arms and legs, and then we also need to add the portal. That's gonna be interesting, and yeah, that's the plan for today. Okay guys, so I have worked on this project for quite a while and I just finished it. Yeah, hope you will like it, and this is the grand reveal. So here's the project. You can see I worked on it for quite a while. There's a lot of bugs in here if you zoom in and stuff, but I think it's still, in my opinion, it looks really good. I like it. This is definitely the biggest project I have ever done in Photoshop. And yeah. Now let's move on to the second picture. Okay, so this is the second picture. I definitely need to do some color correction. Then I need to add the IKEA bird, as PewDiePie says.
It's IKEA bird! It's IKEA bird, Sven!
And then I'm not sure how I'm gonna do that because my brother's shoulders are not that big, so that's gonna be kind of challenging, but we will see where we're gonna go with this. So let's start photoshopping. Okay, so I have opened this image, then I cut out this picture of the bird, of the parrot, of the IKEA bird. Yeah, and then I found more pictures of real parrots. So now I'm gonna basically steal their texture of their feathers and then put it onto the Minecraft bird. So let's see where this goes. So I create a new adjustment layer. No, just regular layer. So I basically choose this clone stamp tool, and then I basically choose a point where I want to steal the feathers from, and then I basically just go like this, and you can see the feathers appearing. It looks pretty good. And then if I zoom in, So yeah, I have finished photoshopping both of the pictures. I personally think they turned out pretty good. If you think that too, you can like this video, and if we get to 30 likes, which I think is gonna be pretty easy compared to what we did on the last Minecraft video, yeah, that's crazy. Yeah, if we're gonna get to 30 likes, I will make a part 2 with more Minecraft mobs. It should be interesting. And I also have a special announcement to make. Basically, me and my friends have launched a new Discord server, so if you want to, you can go and check it out. It's pretty interesting. You can comment down there if YouTube is gonna block the comments, which it does often. And yeah, you can comment, and you can also do some video suggestions. You can see some sneak peeks. It's really interesting. You can check it out down the link below. And yeah, like, comment, subscribe, all that YouTube stuff, and see you next time. Bye.